Saudi, Aramco, excavation, underground, and installations. Underground utilities. Before excavation activities begin, the Saudi Aramco Proponent Organization, SAPO, for example, engineering and technical, shall confirm and mark, for example, by flags or chalk, the location of any known or suspected underground pipes, cables, vessels, structures, etc., that are in the area of the proposed excavation. The Saudi Aramco Proponent Organization, SAPO, shall contact appropriate SA organizations, such as utilities, communications, POD, pipelines, etc., and request them to accurately mark the locations of their underground utilities and installations. The Saudi Aramco Proponent Organization, SAPO, shall ensure that non-SA underground cables or utilities are also located and marked prior to excavating. Saudi Aramco Proponent Organization, SAPO, inquiries may be addressed to Government Affairs. Underground utilities and installations shall be located by reference to drawings, discussion with the relevant organizations, and by use of cable and pipe locators. Mechanical excavators shall not be used until all underground utilities and installations have been exposed by hand digging. Mechanical excavators shall not be used within 3 meters (10 feet) of underground utilities or installations. Pneumatic breakers shall only be used where necessary to break concrete or other hard materials. Excavations are not permitted under an existing foundation. Excavations are not allowed to intersect a 4 to 5 degree plane extending downward from the bottom edge of an existing foundation, unless a properly engineered support system is installed prior to start of work or the excavation is in stable rock. Existing underground piping, manholes, electrical cables, duct banks, sidewalks, etc., that could be undermined by an excavation shall be properly braced or shored. Dewatering. Employees shall not work in excavations where there is pooled water, or in excavations in which water is accumulating, unless adequate precautions have been taken to protect employees. The necessary precautions vary with each situation, but shall include water removal, dewatering, to control the level of accumulating water, for example, by pumping, and may also include support shield or shoring systems to protect from cave-ins. If water is controlled or prevented from accumulating by the use of water removal equipment, the water removal equipment and operations shall be regularly monitored to verify proper operation. If excavation work interrupts the natural drainage of surface water, for example, streams, then diversion ditches, dikes or other suitable means shall be used to prevent surface water from entering the excavation, and to provide adequate drainage of the area adjacent to the excavation. Excavations that have been subject to runoff, for example, from a rainstorm, shall be inspected before use by the excavation competent person in accordance. Thank you.